The uhaul My Belongings Organizer is the ultimate organizing tool. To get started, you'll first need to download the uhaul app if you don't already have it. Once you're in the app, tap the Tools icon on the bottom toolbar. Then tap My Belongings Organizer. Now you can start logging your belongings into the organizer. Tap the plus icon in the bottom right to add an item to your catalog. Then input the item's name and location. You can also add a photo for clarification. If you want to input a container filled with items, then the process is similar. Tap the plus icon, then name your container, designate its location, and add a photo if needed. With our character recognition software, you can even scan handwriting or labels with your phone's camera to automatically fill out your container name. Just tap the icon next to the name section. Now, start listing the contents of your container under the Contain Items section, using the plus icon to add additional items. You can also type the microphone icon next to the plus icon to open our speech-to-text feature that will allow you to list all of your items by voice. Just separate each unique item by saying comma. Scarecrow, comma, pumpkin sign, comma, jack-o'-lantern, comma, pillow. Photos can be attached to each of your contained items too. These photos will be displayed under their respective containers on your organizer homepage. Once you've logged your belongings into the app, you can scroll through the catalog to find a specific container or item, or use the search function in the top right of the organizer's homepage. You can also click on any entry in your catalog to easily make edits. And to delete a specific item from a container, just swipe left on that item. To delete an entire container or standalone item, tap the Edit function at the top of the organizer's homepage. Then click the red minus icon next to the desired entry. Overall, there's no limit to what you can use the My Belongings Organizer for. This tool is great for organizing your garage, tracking your business inventory, managing your collectibles, and much more. The uhaul My Belongings Organizer, your moving and storage experience made easier with the uhaul app.